Greetings all you maniacs out there, my name is Manic and welcome to, like I misspoke last time, the most map I've ever seen. I wanted to do it again, and I wanted to showcase this sweet, sweet new minigun. Where'd it go? Oh yes. And there's customizable things. You gotta get that laser pointer. 6,000 round ammunition. I can change the barrels, and I can put sights on it, but I'm not going to. I can put suppressors on it. Why? And I can put long barrels on it, but I think I'll keep it normal. And I'll put match rounds to make it more accurate. Now to spawn myself ammunition. Entities. Ammo grade. Look at all that ammo. Ah, yeah. This is gonna get crazy. No, no. Whew. Go away. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I also downloaded some more things. I can take selfies now. Why? Because I freaking can. Oh! No, get out of here. Oh shit, I forgot to give myself health. Oh, armor. Yes! My mouse is freaking out. Stop that crazy bitch. Oh yeah. This is how you destroy zombies. You use a motherfucking minigun. This is so much better than the minigun I used last time. Good God, yeah! Shred all of you to itty bitty pieces. I fucking love it. Aw, you hear them out there? Sounds like they're in much pain. How glorious. I love the sight of corpses in the morning. I just love it. Oh, yeah. This may be a bit cheating, but if anyone has played this map, they know how fucking crazy it is. You cannot go out there and survive. Get out of here, you crazy bitch. Uh-huh. That's what I like. I hear you guys out there. No, you cannot come in. My place. Go away, you. Antlions. Make short work of them. Alright. That's pretty loud, so I'm going to put suppressors on it, and listen to what happens to the audio. Oh god, the frame rate. Isn't that a glorious sight? Except for the 10 frames a second. It's all the NPCs. If there wasn't this many NPCs, I'd be, you know, I'd be fine. I'd be hunky-dory. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. I'm gonna wait this out. Let them kill each other. I think I can help with a few grenades, not a camera. Uh-huh. Suck on a little bit of that, and a little bit of this, and a little bit of... oh, fuck. Yeet. Get this mixtape. Uh-huh. I got MLP and NPCs. Anyway. Selfie! That's fucking awesome, right? I found it when I was searching for Metal Arms Glitch in the System weapons. I love that game. I wish they made a sequel, but they never did because Swinging Ape Studios went out of business. Which shames me. Oh god, the frame rate. And I'm pretty sure there's still some people that think I can run CSGO. No way. Anyway, enough about that. I am going to pull something else out. Something like... Not Scarab. Not any of those. If you want any of these, you can just search CW 2.0 and there's literally a lot of weapons. They're all great. Some are better than others, but a lot of them are really, really good. The MMG is pretty cool. Yeah, I hear you guys killing yourselves out there, killing each other. I like that. I like that a lot. This M134 minigun, never touching it again. It's just too crazy. Combine. Not great. Yeah, I get downloaded a kick. That Thompson works, sorta. These Halo weapons are okay. A lot of them don't have any sound effects. Yeah. Now I am going to pull out. Where will it be? Oh yeah, the Gauss. Wait, this isn't the right one. There's one that I have that I can customize and put super powerful rounds into. Where will it be? Yeah, I got a Smith & Wesson 500. Surprisingly, it is super powerful. Who would have thunk it? There we go. This one I can customize. There's healing rounds, frag rounds, or overpowered devastator, and cell skin. Why am I using this? To kill the dropship, of course, because it kills the dropship really quick. Oh yeah. I think I just killed the dropship. If not, I really, really hurt it. This thing's a precision weapon. I wish it was full auto, but then it would have massive recoil and everything, so... Frame rate, holy fuck. But that just makes things sound and look so much more awesome, right? Right? I don't fucking know anymore. What is life? What is anything? Die, you bastard! Did I kill it? Oh, there's that spider. Boom! How strong is this thing, right? Now all I gotta do is finish off the remaining combine. Shouldn't be too difficult, right? I mean, I do have a fucking minigun. I almost want fan art of me holding a minigun, but I know that's too much to ask for. I'm smart. I'm not known. I don't give a shit. I do this for fun anyway. Yeah. Oh god. The only problem with this minigun, it makes everything run like shit. I really would like to see better maps. Like survival maps like this, but not as crazy. Maybe like a watered down version of this. Or it's not like a million NPCs. This thing's fucking fast. 1 click equals 3 rounds. That's gotta be at least 50 rounds a second. 3,000 rounds a minute. Alrighty, right. I got 64,000 rounds left. That's crazy. I also got laser guns. They're just these, but just lasers. How strong are they? Looks kind of cool. Oh great, more zombies. Oh, that's strong. It may just be a reskinned pulse rifle, but it is pretty freaking powerful. I like laser guns, I really do. That's got no accuracy. And I can't use SMG grenades with this. This is what should be used in prop hunt. I literally have an army's worth of weapons. Manic has more fun when I get a bigger gun. Oh shit. Yep, this is the most map I've ever seen. I didn't even mean to say that. That was just a misspoke. Get away. Get away, you bastards. I might be able to beat this. I wouldn't completely guarantee it. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I see you, I see you, I see you. Reload, 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 reload. There we go. Get away from me, you poison head crab. It's so annoying. I like this thing. It sounds really weird. All these Halo Reach weapons are really sweet, but I can't see my custom arms. I just get Spartan arms, which kind of irritates me. Get out of here. Yeah. I also got a lot of Star Wars weapons. They're all really cool. I'm gonna go back to my minigun so I can slaughter all of you. And they're zombies. Who cares? This is survival. You're going to eat my fist. There's still Combine here? Oh well. I am not going out there. It's pandemonium outside. I wonder how long I've been recording for. I can't tell. Anyway. Get out of here. It's the wild blue yonder. Charge! Oh god, this is a mistake. Mistake! Just hold the trigger, Manic. You can get through this. I've dealt with worse. Come back to me, frame rate. As long as I'm shooting this minigun, it won't. Oh god. Yeah. Great minigun. Makes the computer lag its head off. Yeah, this M60 works great too. It's an M60, of course it's going to be strong. Well, anyway, I think I should just do a little bit more of this and I'll end the video. Fucking die. Oh, don't reload. Shit. This doesn't have a god-awful reload time like the minigun does. You like that? I'm killing that manhack. Guess not. Well, anyway. I got nowhere close to completing that map. There was 2 more waves after that. That's fucking insane. Anyway. I did, yeah, I shut off a few more weapons, but for now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and as always, this is Manic signing off, and I'll see all you maniacs in the next video.